Space Boy. Space Boy.
Oh, we back with another one. Boy, out here cooking today. We gotta chef it up, man. It's not too much of a meal. I'm cooking early. I don't want to cook the fries right now, but I'm cooking chicken tenders and fries for like Beyonce. You feel me? So let's go ahead and get into that. First, we had to clean up a little spot and put everything out. Just clean up a little bit, tidiness. Now we gotta wash these fingers. You feel me? Is it just me, or when you cooking, you use a lot of paper towels? I don't know why. To clean your hands, to do this and do that. But basically, a little recipe that I got for the chicken tenders. What I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna use a little bit of milk, egg, put some flour in it. I think I'm gonna stir it up, and then I think I'm gonna have my two breadings. Kind of double coat them, boom flour, and then we're gonna go. I think we're gonna go flour, breading, and then I may not even do the breading in the bowl, tender out of there. Now we're gonna season it. It's almost like my favorite part though, you feel me? Because I like to be a little chemist with the season for real ski. So we're gonna go a little light on the seasoning. I'm gonna use a couple different seasonings, but we're gonna go light on it.
Now you storming out my house in the middle of the night. I'm trying to. I'm not honest with you. I tell myself I'm not that into you, but I don't wanna sleep. It's harder after 3. Down in my head like weed.
Breading has seasoning on it as well. I don't want it overly seasoned where it's
Almost too salty. I put a little bit of this. And then the rest, I'm gonna put these back that we already used. I'm kind of all over the place when I'm kind of cooking, so bear with me. So the last two I'm actually gonna put on the chicken now is ginger, and I'm gonna put some roast chicken garlic with herbs. I don't know, fiance got this. Keep this. Get rid of some of the other stuff that I need to get rid of. Keep that right there. This is very good flour. Save that at least. So now once this, kind of heat up, that's pretty much it. We're gonna fry them bad boys, like I said, until they're golden brown, and then that is pretty much it. Just gotta get it hot enough. That bad boy should come around soon, and we do what it do. After I fry mine, I'm gonna show you that finished product, and then we'll go from there. Let's get it. So as I promised, final product. After about a minute of burning my arms of hot oil and grease, whatever you want to call it. Here is the finished product. Boom. Exactly what I promised, you know? That nice golden kiss of nice breaded flour and crumbs. By no means am I looking to start a cooking channel, or do I even think I'm Gordon Ramsay. Just another intimate moment into, you know, life with Russ. I cook sometimes. I game. I motivational speak. I have a clothing brand that's, to be transparent, is I'm trying to get after I come back from vacation, because I took like a 2-month vacation aside from my other businesses, because I work a 9 to 5 as well. But trying to get clients with even my marketing team that I run. So, you know, it's just kind of do it all. Man of many hats. But like I always say, that's kind of all I got for you guys today. Let's get it.